everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's look is super duper dramatic, but I think it's kind of fun, and especially with it being October, it's kind of gives me like Halloween vibes. So I just had some fun today and did something dramatic. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. First eyeshadow we are taking is going to be Oak, and we're using the Fluffy Eyeshadow Everything brush with this. So with this color, I am going to start it right in the outer corner and then kind of just run it right through that crease and work it up towards the brow bone. This is going to be like our transition color, so it doesn't have to be anything really dark and pigmented. But my main thing is I'm just gonna really make sure that it blends really softly up towards that brow. Next color we're going to be taking is going to be Coal on that same fluffy brush. And so we're going to start by applying this like right at that lash line and then working it out and over to that inner corner. And we will be running this color through the crease as well, all the way from the outer to inner corner here. And I'm just gonna go in with some more, and I'm really gonna build up these colors today because as you could see, this is going to be a super duper dark and dramatic smoky eye. So in order to do that while still keeping it blended, you just need to go in with layers of the eyeshadow, not like a super heavy hand right away. I'm going to be bringing this color over halfway on the lid. So now to make it very, very dark and smoky, we're taking some of Salem. Once again, I'm going to start that shadow right at the lash line and then start to bring it up right to that crease. Bringing it over halfway across the lid. Alright, and now I'm going in with another layer of Salem eyeshadow. Clean off the brush, and then I'm going to go in with Oak once again. And this is just going to run over everything and kind of make sure that we're keeping it as blended as possible. Now we're taking Oak again, but the pencil side of the brush. And you're going to want to run this all the way across that lower lash line. Working it down. I'm going to take Salem and run it all the way across. So this is definitely really dark and dramatic, and you can totally adjust this to what you like. I'm going to be using Gilded. So you can see that we left this inner part here blank, so that's where we're going to be applying Gilded. I did spray my brush with a little bit of Stay Spray to really make it nice and pigmented. And go in with layers of the eyeshadow until you have it as pigmented as you'd like. You can see it needs to be blended, so I'm going to take the fluffy side, blend out that inner part and the edge here. You can also take the pencil side of the brush to blend it, and then just kind of brighten it up as you need to. Next step is just to do liner. We're going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And I am going to end up smoking out the liner in the outer corner. So don't worry if your line is not perfect. To smoke out that outer corner, we're going to use the pencil side brush and some more of Salem and just kind of smudge it up. I always just like to take that blending brush side and kind of blend out the edge there. Okay, and then the final step is just to apply fake lashes. Today I'll be using my favorites of the moment, which are the Red Aspens in the style Priya. And I'm also using the Red Aspen Lash Adhesive. It is so, so good. And like, how pretty are those? Especially with a smoky eye like this, it's nice to do a more dramatic lash so that your lashes don't get lost in the look. Okay, so the final step on the eyes is to do that inner corner like I was saying. You can use an illuminator as the base, just apply like honey on your inner corner like this, and that is really pretty. And then do some Sabrina on top. Or you can just do Sabrina. It's totally up to you. That right in the inner corner there. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, give this video a like if you did. And if you need any help at all with color matching, picking out the right lashes, anything like that, go ahead and send me an email. It will be in the end of this video and also in the description box. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys.